Hey guys, I want to talk today about making the absolute ultimate grilled cheese sandwich using bear's teeth. Yeah, no, not these bear's teeth. This is a necklace that was handed down to me. The beads themselves were actually trade beads from Lewis and Clark. But today we're using Hericium americanum. This is Hericium americanum, a very close relative to the lion's mane. Just picked this one this morning out in the wild. Still have a lot of cleaning to do. Absolutely a top choice mushroom. You're going to want to stick around to it. So while I clean this, get my fire going, just reach right on down below. Please hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you back when the fire's rolling. Well, hey folks, got that fire rocking and rolling. First thing you know, everybody's got to have bacon on the sandwich. So we've got a little bit in the pan. We're just getting it going. Pretty soon I'm going to start cleaning on that mushroom. If you're familiar with the bear's tooth, any of the hericiums, if you find them in the wild, there's going to be a lot of bark in it, sometimes some insects, so they do take a lot of cleaning, a lot of delicate work. I'm going to do that while we get some bacon done, so bear with me. This takes a little process here. Thick cut, it's on the way to go. I'm going to show you what I mean by cleaning these guys. It looks nice and white on this side, but if you turn it around, well, there's a lot of debris falls off the old dead logs from everywhere. You got to clean that up. So I'm just going to slice arbitrarily. I want to get some steaks out of these. And yeah, it's going to crumble. That's the nature of this mushroom. You just delicately brush them out. Get us a little stack going. Take that slice. That whole top, it's going to go. You know, that bug don't look too tasty. Well, we're just going to lose that top. Save this a little bit. Well, that bacon is looking really nice. One thing we need with the mushroom, about a half stick of butter. We're also going to need this on the bread. Oh, that's good. Let that drain off on a plate. Get our butter going. Really want that to soak in. Set it over here on the toaster. It don't take too long to toast. But we gotta have all that buttery goodness on it. I'll tell you what, it does make a difference. Whatever bread you like, you know, that's totally up to your choice. If I had my druthers, I'd be using some Texas toast, but yeah, nobody had any. Let's see where we are at. We're getting there. Okay, time for the lion's mane. And the only seasoning I use on it, excuse me, the bear's head tooth. Old Bay really brings out that seafood flavor. Okay, gonna move these up top. Already starting to get a little grill to them. That way I can shut down the lid. But before I shut it down, we want to get good butter on these. Just more flavor. Y'all want this to soak in as good as possible. Okay, quick stir. It won't take these too long to cook. This big old spatula, that's one of the first things I made blacksmithing many, many years ago. Mushrooms are looking great. Toast is looking awesome. Time to get some cheese on. Get a little Swiss. Got provolone. Let me think, what else? I do like to alternate them. Oh yeah, jack cheese. Gotta have some jack. And a new one I just found. Y'all familiar with pepper jack? This is Trinidad Scorpion Jack. Has some jalapeno, some habanero, and Trinidad peppers. I like it hot. Not going to be that hot, but we're going to get them in there, get them to the melting stage. Might as well keep our bacon warm. Oh, one to snack on. Now the last trick, some cackleberry. Nice thing about outdoor cooking, you always hit your eggs on something flat. You don't want to be driving any shells in. Break the yolks. Let's close this up for a moment. Let some heat rock and roll in there. Been about 2 minutes. Eggs are getting close. I am just doing this a little bass backwards. We are ready to assemble. Mushrooms are done. I'm going to pull them off, let them drain a little bit. Can't forget that bacon. Slide that right on the bacon. Bring this off. Just take it over there. It's just too hot. Good mushroom loving in there, just place it how you like. Fun part. Give her a flip. Give it a little more butter. Getting hot in the kitchen. A little more toast on that. This won't take long at all. That quick. Look how pretty that is. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm turning into a train wreck. Perfect. That one a second more. Now tell me, how do you make grilled cheese without a grill? Everybody calls them grilled cheese, they cook them inside. That's not a grilled cheese. Let's take a look. I'm not kidding you folks, that is a sandwich fit for a king. It is amazing. I'm using bear's head tooth. You certainly could use lion's mane. You could probably use quite a few other mushrooms. But the Hercium family, that seems to be the best. and use that extra cheese just to tie it back together. Let's go in for a bite. Friends, you gotta try this. Hope you like the recipe. Hope you can put up with my slow cooking. I'm not a great cook. Anyway, we'll have lots of other outdoor videos and some blacksmithing videos. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around with me. Whoops. You're still here? Well, I ain't going nowhere until I'm done. I do have to apologize. That wasn't Trinidad scorpions. That was Carolina Reaper pepper. Got a nice little bit of burn to it. Not very much. Just a little throat burn. So, we'll see you soon. I got work to do. Thanks again for stopping by at Lost Skills. Yeah, I'm going to the woods tomorrow. Try to find some more.